Today was a very okay, wait. Fuck. Today was a very interesting trading day for me, and I'll explain why. I don't know if you can see that. Let me manhandle you for a second. There we go. Minus 140, and I'm like, it's not a lot of money realistically. It's also not money at all because I paper trade. But focus, dickhead. And I mean, it's not a lot of money, but I was trading differently than I normally do. As you guys know, I usually only take 1 to 2 trades a day, but today I took like 4 or 5. And this is still only in between the hours of, market open, so 9:30, 9:35 to 11:40. So, with my phone screen swapping between the book, the VIX futures, the SPY futures, SPY. So it's a bit. And, there was news today. There was GDP news. It was positive. There was NVIDIA. Other bullshit. But, I mean, this is the price action for the day. Let me go back down to the 3-minute. And I guess we could just go over my first trade. Where I went wrong, what I thought was going to happen. And I guess I'll do that for the 4. Yo, sometimes it just hits me, like right now. I'm really doing this shit. And I'm only 16 years old. And this whole time, up until like maybe a month ago, or less actually, I've been trying to do this shit. So I've been trying to climb this mountain so that the world can see me. But I just feel like I got something to prove for various reasons. But I don't. This is all just for me. I'm doing all of this for myself. And I'm climbing this mountain so I can see the world. Not so that the world can see me. You know what I mean? Good thing my fucking audio is working, unlike the last video where my mic wasn't even plugged in the whole time I recorded. So, on my notes, my trading journal, I got 4 trades scheduled, written down here, so I guess I took 4 today. This first one, I remember, was me just trying to take the fade to this daily level from here. I had a little bit of FOMO because I saw this huge candle right here. I wasn't trying to miss out on this entire move and look like an idiot. But, market sentiment with the huge pre-market jumps from NVIDIA. The thing jumped up all the way up here. SPY jumped up all the way up here in the pre-market. Second trade. This next trade I'm not entirely sure, but going off of the edit history, 940, it was here that I took this trade. I think. Dude, wait, what? Nope, wrong one. I'm retarded. Okay, yeah, that makes a lot more sense. 1010. I tried to take this scalp downwards just to move. Well, let's see what it says. Tried taking a 30-cent scalp to get back some more profits, but it didn't work and I lost more. I don't even know. I don't know. I just tried to catch the fade and it didn't work. On to the third trade. This one's on 1020. Oh yeah, I remember this. So after getting stopped out here and losing another trade, I took this trade to the continuation upwards because of this price action. It went hit this level, then bounce back up, hit this level, then bounce back up, hit this level. So I was kind of expecting it to go up, but I realized that happening 3 times in a row is a little bit unlikely. But then again, this is what the fucking price action of yesterday looked like, so like whatever. So I gave it a shot, and I was wrong. But my last trade was almost so nice. Almost so nice. And this trade I was confident in. I was real confident in this one. 3-step verification, volume, volatility, price action, market sentiment, a bit of FOMO, but I'm just trying to take more trades today overall. Setting my stop loss super wide. This was at 1050. I know exactly what trade this was. Right here, I entered at the open of this candle, I think. And I set my stop loss all the way like 50 cents below my something. I don't know. I set it like bare, like down here. I remember. And so I'm sure you can see this very nice run up. Look at that. What is that? 7 green candles in a row. Beautiful. And I was so confident in this trade that I almost added another contract right down here at this 1 hour level. Because then it would have been cheaper and it would have gone up and it would have been more profit and I would have been able to get my profits back. But I mean, it's not a spoiler. Like, you see what happened. Like, you know what happened. You can see that huge fucking red candle that I didn't see coming at all. I genuinely did not see that coming at fucking all. So I didn't know what to do, really. It came within like the last minute of the candle forming. Let me go to the 1 minute actually. Okay, wait. Yeah, I don't know. And then I hit my stop loss, or maybe my stop loss was like down here or something. I don't know. All I know is that I hit my stop loss. I got out not at the worst, at the bottom. I kind of got out a little bit higher, so it wasn't horrible. But those 4 trades, all 4 of them were red. It all culminated into my worst trading day. My worst performing, I guess, because I lost 140 fake dollars. But I had fun. I really enjoyed it. Even though I was wrong 4 times out of 4, I really enjoyed it. Personally, I had fun trading this. Made me feel like a professional, kind of. But then I lost. Professionals lose 4. And then, yeah, you can see it did end up going up. Up here would have been a nice exit. I remember. It was only like $30 in the profit at this point. Oh, it was 1 contract. Up here would have been nice, but I didn't get there. But I do want to point out, just before I end the video, look at how nicely marked these rectangles are. This one I marked at the beginning once I saw these 2, and I just plotted it here, and it aligned with the rest of the movement. This tiny one right here, I made when I saw this little gap up in between these candles. And look, it came back down to fill it. And this would have been a fantastic move, but I didn't catch that. This one right here, especially, I made, because while I was waiting for the entry, I was looking at this candle right here, and it closed like this. So I'm like, okay, why is it doing that? I went back. I went to go see any previous price action that might indicate to that, and I saw from Tuesday this little price action. So I marked it down. And I mean, it's just getting respected pretty well, and then huge moves. And then if I extend it even more, you can see this was actually a very accurate level. Very happy about that. Lesson learned.